Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Dr. Humaira Says. I am Dr. Humaira Asif Khan, and in today's video we'll be talking about rapid revision videos or main videos. Whenever we start studying any subject, we want to finish it as soon as possible. So a question always pops up in our mind, whether to watch the main videos or go for rapid revision videos. See, now there could be two situations. Either you are having a lot of time, that means you are in your MBBS years, or else you are going to appear for an exam in next 3 to 4 months. So if you're in your MBBS years, even if it's your last year, so I would suggest you to go for main videos, to watch main videos, because main videos are very important and they help in filling the knowledge gaps. Because हमेशा ऐसा होता है ना कि हमें हर सब्जेक्ट के हर टॉपिक के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत पता होता है, but we don't know the topic in detail. So to know that, we need to watch the main videos. तो अगर तुम्हारे MBBS, if you are in your MBBS years, then watch the main videos. एंड इफ एट ऑल द सिचुएशन इज लाइक अगर तुम्हें 3 या 4 मंथ्स में अपना FMG एग्जाम देना है, सो वॉच रैपिड रिविजन वीडियोस. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू, आई एम नॉट सजेस्टिंग रैपिड रिविजन वीडियोस, बिकॉज रैपिड रिविजन वीडियोस का कंटेंट बहुत क्रिस्प होता है. तो अगर तुम्हें एक टॉपिक के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत पता होगा ना, तो तुम रैपिड रिविजन को ऑप्ट कर सकते हो. बट अगर तुम्हें थोड़ा बहुत भी नहीं पता ना किसी टॉपिक के बारे में, सो आई वुड सजेस्ट यू टू वॉच मेन वीडियोस. Go to the main video section of PrepLadder, Marrow, or any subscription you are having for that matter. You'll find out all the major subjects like Obs-Gynae, PSM, surgery, medicine will be having 100 plus videos. Now there are 100 plus videos because the subject is vast and because the subject is having so much of content in it. So compared to the rapid revision videos में ये होता है कि हर एक चीज तो वो पढ़ाते भी नहीं. रैपिड रिविजन में सिर्फ इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स पढ़ाए जाते हैं जो एग्जाम में रिपीट हुए हैं. एंड ऑल्सो उन टॉपिक में से भी हर एक चीज नहीं पढ़ाई जाती, उन टॉपिक को भी ना बहुत क्रिस्प करके छोटा करके पढ़ाया जाता है. कहाँ 100 प्लस वीडियोस और कहाँ एक सब्जेक्ट को 10 to 12 आवर्स में खत्म किया जाता है. Coming to the main videos. Main videos are very important in filling the knowledge gaps. Like for example, we know something about some topic, but we don't know everything about that topic. So to know everything about a topic, we need to watch main videos. Like for example, we'll know the symptoms, we'll know the complications, but we don't know the investigation. Okay, investigation हमें rapid revision videos और textbooks में भी मिल जाएंगे. But in main videos, they'll explain us why are we doing this investigation and why are we not doing another investigation in that place. So main videos are important like that. They will help in filling the knowledge gaps. They do comprehensive coverage. मतलब वो हर topic का पूरा coverage करके explain करते हैं. I did all the short subjects like dermatology, anesthesia, psychiatry, orthopedics, radiology from rapid revision videos. And all these short subjects hold 5 to 7 marks in the main exam. I was able to score 5 out of 7 to 6 out of 7 marks in all these short subjects by studying rapid revision videos. It's not like rapid revision videos padke we won't get enough information or we won't be able to score good marks in the subjects. It's not like that. It depends on how much revisions you're doing. Okay, so that is important. Rapid revision videos पढ़ के भी तुम अच्छे marks score कर सकते हो. See, rapid revision videos have enough content for you to pass the exam. If you understand, if you learn, if you study everything that the teachers are explaining in the rapid revision videos, nobody can stop you from passing this exam. But if you don't have enough time, go for rapid revision videos. Because rapid revision videos का ऐसा है कि ठीक है हर चीज डिटेल में नहीं होती, बट एटलीस्ट यू विल गेट टू नो व्हाट इज देयर, व्हाट आर द मेन टॉपिक्स, व्हाट आर द रिपीटेड टॉपिक्स आस्क्ड इन द एग्जाम. एंड इफ बाय एनी चांस तुमने पूरी रैपिड रिविजन वीडियो याद कर ली ना, you are for sure going to score at least 80 to 90 marks in that subject for sure. Because ऐसा नहीं कि rapid revision videos में content कम है तो information भी कम होगी. The teachers are so nice कि वो हर एक topic को इतने अच्छे से explain कर देते हैं ना कि even if they explain one topic in 5 minutes, that is enough. That is enough. Only the thing is you need to keep on revising it again and again. That will help a lot. See, main videos are gold. Main videos are a gem. But if you're not having enough time, so don't waste your time on doing main videos because वो कभी तुम्हारा एग्जाम आ जाएगा पर तुम्हारी main videos खत्म नहीं होने वाली. So go for rapid revision videos and complete that subject. if at all you don't understand any topic कि ठीक है ये topic मुझे rapid revision video से समझ नहीं आ रहा, the content is very less, then go for main videos of that topic. Don't go for the whole sub पूरे 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 subject का main videos देखने मत बैठ जाने. Go and watch main video of that particular topic only. See, if you're still having 2 to 3 months for your exam, don't worry, don't panic. You're going to pass. Just go with the flow. Do however you're doing. Practice MCQs, give GTs, and don't panic by seeing your GT marks. Those are not the actual marks. They don't define the actual marks. You will pass the exam. Just do enough revisions. Jitna bhi time mile revision karo. Don't waste your time. You will pass your exam. Don't worry. Also, you will be able to pass the exam by doing just rapid revision videos, but the only thing you need to do is revise it again and again, because revision is the key. Revise it for 10-15 times before the exam, because rapid revision videos में वैसे ही इतना content नहीं होता, but the content is enough for you to pass the exam. So all you need to do is just revise it. Also, don't break the chain of consistency. First of all, you're doing rapid revision videos, and secondly, you're not even being consistent. तो एग्जाम कहाँ से पास होगा? If you want to pass the exam, be consistent with everything. Revise it again and again. Watch the video again and again. Practice MCQs related to that subject again and again. ये ऐसे consistent रहने से ना, you will be able to pass the exam.